Yeah, Pankaj, all is well.
So, very good evening to all of you
Nice.
present here in our second season of our online show, Let's Talk in English. And now I would like to invite our today's anchor, Sheila Madam. And I request Sheila Madam uh, to please invite Pankaj Udaypur for his lab speech.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir, and welcome back, friends, on this platform. Now, I would invite Pankaj to continue his speech. Pankaj, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Actually, almost completed, but I want to add two more lines in my speech. Uh, let's when feeling stress. So think one line. Everything is pre-decided.
Yes.
Its line is too small, but its meaning is too enough to understand, right? Because everything is pre-decided. We can't do anything if we want. So this line remove our easily. And one more thing for everyone who present here, if you are feeling stress and tense in your life, please come on this show at 9 p.m. every day. You will feel relaxed. You will feel stress free. That's my challenge to you. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Pankaj. I also agree with same
Question by
thoughts.
Pankaj.
Yeah, actually, I also agree with these same thoughts. This platform is for stress release. So now I will invite our judge to give feedback. I would invite Kalpana ma'am to give feedback to Pankaj.
Thank you.
Kalpana ma'am.
Pankaj always does very well. He's a good speaker. Nothing
Yeah.
can be nothing. I can't say anything for him. He's a good, and his suggestions also very. What can I say? His suggestion is also welcomed by all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. I'm not able to give suggestion to all of you, but I also present our opinion on this.
No, no, it's okay. You are
Uh,
right.
you, you have given one technique that is pivot our mind. When we are in stress, that is depend on us. We think about sad, we'll get sad. We think about feeling happy, we'll get happy. Pivot our mind. That is one way to avoid stress. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I will invite next participant. Guys, we successfully completed our first session. Now we will turn to our second session, and in our second session, I would invite Sahil Joshi to share his thoughts on stress and stress management. Sahil, ball is in your court. You
Thank
can
you.
start your speech.
Okay. Yes. Are you audible?
Yeah.
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
you are audible.
Uh, Good evening, all friend and respected sir. Because today's topic is stress and stress management. So, in my thought, stress is an extra lamp. They have the body. Stress is an append. They cannot be get rid of. Stress is the part of the body. It gets the stress because how to handle your mind or your brain. So it a natural outcome. There are two type of stress. One is positive, one is negative. So in any person who living a life without any stress, when that pressure cross the your tolerance, that when affected negatively. So it stress affect a mentally problem, mentally peace, yeah, mentally stability, and mentally performance, and dealing with other person. It like stress start for irritate, and it stress for moving out of line your life, your balance, that called as stress. And this is you can how to manage means means what is the manage of the stress management. So there are five thinking, like one is relax, one is regenerate, and one is recognize and reward and resolve. Only five. Relax, what do you mean by relax? Relax means it you early sleep minimum your to rest your in your body 8 hours 6 hours minimum rest to relax. So regenerate means you do some like if you're interested to like listening music, yeah, daily your like is daily yoga, yeah, daily any just depend upon your choice. So recognize, and next is recognize means meet your friend, your family, like your partner, life partner, to enjoy and spare your time. This is the recognize. And rewards means it is enjoy your happy your life, and celebrate your celebration on your friend, your colleague, and some other to nearest your heart. And next is last is resolve. What do you mean by resolve? Resolve means any problem, if some mistake, if some problem to face, then you can handle to proper way and proper to without mistake, then resolve. And like today
Time is
one
up,
is
sir. Time is
Ravindranath
up.
Ravindra Swami, sorry.
Joshi, sir, time is up. Yeah, 3 minutes
Okay.
over.
Okay, yeah, we have. I'm really sorry to say, but we have so many speakers are left, and I want them to speak. That's why I cannot give you extra time. Okay. After many days, I can see Rajkumar Jaiswal on our stage. So I request Rajkumar Jaiswal to give him a feedback speech. Dear friend Rajkumar Jaiswal, please give a feedback speech in short to Sahil Joshi.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to give feedback on him. Actually, he has pointed out all the points wherever we have to, we used to be stuck there. Then I think there his speech was quite impressive, and I think we should follow all those things, all the suggestions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Today, actually,
Okay.
today is my stress release. Really, really, I am feeling stress release
Yeah, yeah.
because in today my today is celebration day because, sir, actually, my job is recently relocated to Gujarat. Today, my
Oh,
get offer,
oh,
so
great!
it is
Congratulations.
stress release because
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations.
thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Great, great, great. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, next
Okay.
speaker.
Yeah, okay. Now, thank you, sir. Sir told us about 5 hours to release our stress. Now, I will invite our next speaker, Yogesh Mishra. Sir, ball is in your court. You can start your speech.
Okay. Thank you, Philomena. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Today topic is stress. So we all know what is the stress. So I want to tell about what may be the reason for the stress, like the past event or people around us. Past event like any incident happened in the past that shatters our feeling. That means we are just focusing on our past and we are just realizing that what happened to me, what happened, it should not be happened to. That's it's just a stress. or in the people around you, he is reaching you, he is complaining about you, he is arguing with you, or anything he is commented on you. Just doesn't matter. It's for us to how we express it. That's called a stress. Like uh, event plus response equal to outcome. The event is not event is not in and not an outcome. But what is in our hand is a response. How you respond, that become your stress. If you are responding to the positive, negative way, then it will be you will be a stress less. How to manage it? How to manage it? The event first is the event. Event has no meaning. We or I and you give a meaning to events. Just like one of our boss scolded us in front of our colleague. Then how we react? So we have to break down or we have to break through. It's on our hand. Okay. The things. Second point: the things turn out best for those who made the best out of the way the things have turned out. Means the way we are looking at the things that depend on you are getting stress or not. We cannot change the things now, but we can change the way of thinking. We can change the way. We can just like reverse. Uh, don't go reverse. Just like I want to say that. And last, third point is for me. You don't. We don't behave on based on what happened to us. We behave based on what has happened to you. What we are feeling, that's become a stress. We are not feeling about that. Just like we can be a overseer or permitter for any sorry any event happens to you. Just be a permitter overseer according to me, and you have to decide how to react. Experience and existence is total difference. Every time your experience could not be correct, existence will clear your stress. Okay, thank you, sir. That's from me.
Yeah, definitely we all are stress free today because we have been listening so many things from all speakers about stress and how to manage our stress. Yeah, Sheila madam.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for giving speech. And without wasting time, because time is money, I will move to our next judge, Ila Rani. You could give feedback to sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. He explained it very nicely about stress, but I want to also share my thoughts. I don't think I will get chance or not, but yes, he did a very good speech on stress and how to manage stress. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ila Rani. Definitely, sir will give us to everyone a chance. Lots of people are new on this platform, so
yes,
yeah. So now I will move to our next participant, Deepu Kumar. You can start your speech.
Hello everyone, how are you all, everybody? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to say to Prakash sir only, Prakash sir, I've been trying to access to you since 1 month only, and continue. I have been messaging you, mailing you, but finally I got the chance to speak today, to join you guys. I'm really feeling lucky, and today my first class, so really I did not prepare anything, but I got to know here only. But we have to talk about stress and stress management, right? So should I start?
Definitely.
Yeah,
Good luck.
you can.
Yeah. Actually, I'm getting nervous. First class and okay. So first, I would like to say that stress and stress management, right? Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, you are audible.
Yes.
So stress, the thing is what everyone has a stress. If anyone is saying I don't have any stress, I don't have any tension, so it means they are lying. I know, like, everyone has a stress problem. So, like, someone has a financial problem, someone has a family problem, someone has a future problem. So this kind of tension, stress, everyone has. And I'm very much agree with that. I forgot his name, sorry brother. Jaipur, his name, Jaipur, yeah. So yeah,
Pankaj.
I agree. Yeah, Pankaj bhai. So I agree with 90% I agree with him only, because he said stress, it comes, actually it comes from your education. How you, it depends on your education. Your education is very good, so you know how to manage this stress level and all. And if you're so, because you have that capability, that how to manage your stress level and all. And stress management, right? Stress management, I think we have to enjoy the life. Like, everything we have to do, like we have to watch movie, we have to play, we have to talk to the friend, we have to we have to share our feeling with the good friends. And there is lots of things, like exercise must, yoga is must. Like, I'm a yoga trainer, so I know the benefit of this. So stress, there is a lot of thing to reduce your stress level. And the most important thing, you have to share your feeling with your friends who is close to you. And this is very important thing. And mm, and what to say more, I'm not getting, I'm really very sorry. That's it, yeah, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
really.
Thank
Excuse
you.
me, madam. Excuse me. Okay, I want to share something about stress, but I want to talk about solution. Why people
Yes, sir.
stress? Why people worry a lot? Why they are sad? Because they have lot of expectation from others, and they cannot fulfill their expectations. Then they have to face stress in their life. Okay, a few years ago, okay, 5 or 7 years ago, I was just reading one article. People are facing the stress when they upload any videos or photos on Facebook, or okay, then they never like get some likes and comments. They feel stress. So why they feel stress? Because they have expectations.
Right.
So how can we be
Right,
free
sir,
from
right.
stress? No expectations. Okay, when I upload our any videos on YouTube, I don't have any expectation. Will I get the 5,000 views? Sorry, 5K views, or 500 views only? It doesn't matter. But I enjoy my work. That's okay.
That is the
I
more
talk
important.
with new friends every day. I will get new speakers on my platform. So that is my enjoyment. My views, it's not my expectation. So I'm expectation free person. That's why I never feel stressed like that. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Very
sir.
well said.
It's quite
Very
clear.
nice.
Expectation always hurts, sir.
Where there is expectation, there is stress.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
No expectation,
Because,
sure.
no
True,
stress.
sir.
because
Without expectation, there is no stress.
Yeah. And
I also
one
experienced
more
that.
thing I want
Stress
to
would be
share with
there.
my colleagues also. Okay. Very short time, I bought a bungalow in a town. I bought a nice expensive car. But before that, I didn't have anything. In 2006, I didn't have mobile. Okay, in 2006, I didn't have mobile. So I always share, I know how to live my life without these all things because I am from the poor family. I will start my journey again from zero. But I want to enjoy whatever I like. And I want to do that work what I like. Okay. So can you understand how to be stress free?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
These
Yes,
are
sir.
tools.
Yes,
Your
sir.
car is
Expect,
tool.
don't expect much.
Yeah. Your
Don't
gadgets,
expect more
gadgets
from everyone.
are tool. Okay. They are different. So stress free, this is a simple formula to be a stress free. Okay. So now Sila madam.
Yes. I want to share one thought here. William Shakespeare said that expectations is the root of all hurt ache. So don't expect anything from anyone.
Yeah.
Live your life fully. Enjoy your life. Don't take any stress. So
Sir, may I
now,
something
Yeah, Ilarani.
here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Expectation also, I will say here something like comparison. Nowadays, people are comparing with others. Why they are successful? They don't want to know behind their struggle, the things they have done to achieve their whatever they are now to get
Yeah.
rich or whatever. But people only see that person became rich and they started getting jealous and expect that I will be the same person without doing nothing, I will be rich. So and also people not accepting themselves that the way they are, like someone is if black or ugly or poor, whatever, we should first accept ourselves the way we are, and try to improve ourselves to get better. But without accepting those things, we see she is or he is beautiful, he's got a very good life. So that's nowadays becoming a very powerful factor to getting into stress.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, and one more thing
Yes.
I want to share with you. I read one book. I think it is here or not. Yes, it is here. Okay.
Robin
The
Sharma.
monk who sold his Ferrari. The monk who sold his Ferrari. And after reading one thing, okay, I can also underline this one. And I had enough courage to leave my government job after reading that one thing. So here is a sentence: if you feel suffocation in any environment, and leave it. If you
Right,
feel
sir.
suffocation, then leave it.
Right,
Then
sir.
I show
I
this,
also, yes, sir.
yeah, I show these all my friends. Then I told them I feel suffocation here. That's why I want to leave my job. But they supported me. No, we are ready to help you. So you should not leave your government job. Enjoy your other work and continue your government job. Okay. So I don't have any expectation from any other person. Just I live. And really, if you have crossed 30 years or 35 years, then you must read this book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. You can be a stress free. You can be a stress free person. Nice writer. Robin Sharma is my one of the best favorite writers because he teaches so many good life lessons, how to live our life. Okay.
So
Yes.
that book is on a real person, right?
Here is the character Julian Mantle. It's a fiction, not non-fiction. Julian Mantle is a lawyer, but I think personally, I think this is a story of real Robin Sharma's life.
Okay.
Excuse me, Prakash sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Could I speak something?
Yeah. For
Sir,
what?
this is Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, on stress measurement.
Yeah.
Actually, thank you, sir, for this opportunity. Actually, I'm Rajkumar Jaiswal. I'm working as assistant professor, and I was a member of this Zoom meeting before 2 weeks. And during that 2 weeks, I have conducted successfully one webinar as a convener and one FDP 3 days as a coordinator. Then during this time, I have to work. I had worked day and night, and I am practically share with you. If you are loving the work, then there won't be any stress, even though you are not going to get hungry. During the preparation of the template, certificate, and what are the formalities are there, since morning to evening, I was working without eating anything. Even I am not getting hungry. After 6 o'clock, daily I was eating the food. Morning I woke up and 6 p.m. I'm going and eating the food. But why I'm not getting hungry and I'm not getting stressed? Because I'm loving my work. And for stress free, you have to be do meditation, jogging, and all. If you are following all those things, then really you are not going to be stressful. And your positive mind is very important to be stressful, enjoy the stressful life. Thank you, sir. It's a practical example which I recently felt, and I'm sharing with you. Since morning to evening, I was working without eating any food, but I was so happy because I'm loving that work to conduct the webinar. Because first time I have organized as a convener one webinar, and I conducted as a coordinator 3-day FDP faculty development program Indian in national level. Then I was so happy without stress, and I did lots of work during these 2 weeks, and I can endorse the Prakash sir. We have to love the work, whatever work we assign to us. Then definitely, without expectation and all, we will would be the stressful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, so Rajkumar is our permanent member of this Zoom platform, but because he was busy, that's why he was absent for some days. But now, Rajkumar, welcome to this session, okay?
Thank you, sir. Today onwards, I will be daily.
Yeah. Yeah. Sheila
Okay.
madam.
Without wasting time, last means Rajkumar sir and Deepu Kumar sir share their thoughts on stress and stress management. Now it's our duty to give feedback to
Exactly. I was waiting for this. Yeah.
yeah, I know that. That's why I invite Pankaj sir to give feedback to both Kumars. Pankaj sir,
Oh, Kumar is same.
Yeah.
Okay, so both of you are very good speaker. First of all, I want to say that your English is too good, and yeah, you are very knowledgeable person, greater than me. And as you said, you were busy in your work, so it's also good here to know that you love very much to your work. And Deepu Kumar, you are a yoga teacher, so it is good to see here one yoga teacher come here and give some instructions to us. So it's our pleasure,
100%.
and
Yeah.
that's it. And thank you very much for both of you, and you have good future.
Thank you
So
so
really,
much.
personally, I enjoyed the speech of Deepu Kumar, and I welcome you, Deepu Kumar, on this platform regularly. You can join us.
Sir, can I talk to you, sir, for 20 seconds only?
Yeah.
Prakash sir, continue. I have been messaging you past 1 month, and I just wanted to talk to you that because I have been following you on your YouTube channel and all, and when I have seen your YouTube channel, that time I got really it was really impressive, and I got really I felt really very well. My God, thank God, someone is here only to teach English, and someone is trying to make the environment to learn from each other. And when I have seen that time only first message after watching that YouTube channel, that time only I messaged you in YouTube channel because I didn't have that time your mail ID and all. And continuously I have been messaging you in the YouTube channel. Sir, my name is Deepu Singh. I am from Bombay, and I just want to join you. And then I think your mail ID you have posted in the YouTube channel only. That time only I wrote your mail ID, and when I got the mail ID yours, from that day only I started mailing you on your mail ID. So finally only I got today only your mail, no, yesterday only. Then I was very happy. Thank God Prakash sir replied me, and just really I'm glad to meet you, sir. I'm glad to talk to you.
So
Finally, you get
what
stress free right now.
Every day I get lot of emails. That is my confusion. Okay. I have to read
Okay,
lot of
okay,
emails
okay.
every day.
Without struggle, you cannot see God.
Yeah, actually, finally.
Finally, he got stress free right now, sir. That's why I told.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay, we are very lucky to we got such platform.
Yeah,
So
actually,
now I will request our great sir to announce next speaker's name. Sir, can you please?
Okay,
share
yeah.
names.
Okay, I have a lot of confusion now because many
Sir,
speakers
I
are left.
want to say.
Okay, first I would like to invite Srivani, then Ila Rani,
Okay.
and I'm really sorry if I cannot invite all. You will get chance next time. Akbar Alam and Alok Jena. Okay, Alok Jena, can you be an anchor tomorrow? And Akbar Alam, can you make a welcome speech?
Yes,
Alok
sir, I will
Jena,
try.
Yeah.
can you be an anchor tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. Sir.
Okay, and Akbar
Yes, yes.
Alam,
Yes, sir.
can you
Yes,
make a
sir.
welcome speech?
Okay, sir, I will try.
And Nityanand Burman, thankful speech tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
what
sir.
is welcome
Thank
speech,
you.
sir?
Thankful speech. At the end of the program, Geeta madam will make the welcome speech. Okay, just listen to it. And Subhasri, tomorrow we are going. Okay, if we have time, then we will give you a chance to speak today. Okay, Subhasri. Now this is a stressful moment for me because I want to give chance to each and every speaker. But
Sir, I want to say one thing. It's okay,
Sir,
sir.
I
We don't
wanted
mind.
to say one thing.
thank you very much. Yeah. So,
Okay. Okay.
Sheila madam, you can
Can I
invite.
start, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will invite our wonderful and sweet speaker, Srivani. Srivani, you can share your thoughts on our screen. You can. You can start your speech. Hello, Srivani, you there?
Hello, Srivani. Okay, then Ila Rani, you can invite the Ila Rani.
Okay, okay. Okay, I think Shivani is not present. Now I will I would invite Ila Rani to share her thoughts on stress and stress management.
Thank
You
you,
can
ma'am.
start, Ila Rani.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Today I was thinking I will not get chance to speak because there are so many speakers today. So today's topic is stress and stress management. After getting this topic, I want to uh, get some more knowledge about stress. So I search in your Google that what is stress. So what I got to know, that was quite interesting and very much informative. Here I write it down to tell you all about. Stress is our body's way of responding to any kind of demand or threat. Means it's connected to our mind with body. The way our mind think about any negativity, so that our body react to uh, defend us, to protect us. So that's become in stress. So it's like whatever we imagine, or whatever we feel about any danger what comes towards us, that's make us feel we are in stress. Like if we want something to achieve something and we saw any obstacles in front of us, so that's makes us feeling stress. Here I want to say my one experience, about stress management. We can't share our feelings to with everyone, but we can express or share with our thoughts, our problems with our close family members, or one of our best close friend. So whenever we are feeling whatever, because I also experienced the depress or stress in my life, so I always choose to express myself. Whatever I get in my mind, whatever it's negative, bad things, whatever I just told in front of my husband or my best friend, or with my mother, I just said. I don't took that with close with me, so that it will destroy me inside. So I just share with all my thoughts with everyone, so they give me very positive way to think. Like if I am seeing something in negative way, so they provide me something to see this in a positive way. So that makes me also feel happy and motivate me to do something better. So here I will
Yeah,
say,
yeah. Time is up, ma'am. 3 minutes
sir,
over.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever
Okay.
we are feeling
I also
stress,
add something, sir.
1 minute, whenever we are feeling some stress, don't be afraid, don't be get more panic, just find out the reason why you are getting stress, what the problem you are facing, and what you want to do and you could not doing that. That's why you are getting in the stress mode. So share with your friends or family and try to solve it. Don't run away from the problems, try to face it and solve it, and everything is here. We can solve everything. That's, there is nothing like we cannot solve any problem. So stress is nothing. We just to recognize what is the problem and how to face that. So that's it, sir. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yeah, Akbar Alam.
Okay. Okay. Before
Sir,
that,
sir,
I want to say something.
Time is
Hello.
getting up.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Akbar sir, I will invite you. Before inviting you, I will say something about Ila Rani's speech. Ila Rani, your speech is awesome. You spoke
Thank you.
very well. I will invite Kalpana ma'am to give feedback for Ila Rani's speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Ilarani always happy when she delivers speech. Got chance.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yes, I'm a happy person.
Yeah, Ilarani, you have said absolutely right that we should share our feelings and whatever if we are in tension, then it
Yes.
would be better. So we can get rid of stress and little bit. But I would like to add here one point that we can enjoy our life if we quit the race. We all are doing suffering due to race, indirect or indirectly. Maybe I couldn't get chance today. It is doesn't matter for me. But I want to add this topic only. You are a good speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Um,
today's anchor. Please give the speech for the today's anchor, Sri Vani. What is your point of view about today's anchor? Sri Vani,
Hello.
because we have 1 minute left.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, I had some network coverage problems, so I wasn't able to connect.
Yeah, I can understand. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sheila ma'am has done so nicely, and it was superb, and she has done very nicely with explaining everyone's character and every point. So it was nice, sir. Superb. It was amazing. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Shrivani.
So Geeta ma'am
Hello.
is available.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now I will invite Geeta ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I will invite Geeta ma'am to give thankful speech.
I think she is
Geeta
not here.
ma'am.
That's why I was speaking. Okay, I was asking. Geeta ma'am is here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So may I?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Subhati.
hello.
Yes, sir. First, I would like to thank sir for sitting such type of topics. It is a